Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Catherine Lahera, 40 years old, single mom, blessed with 2 children, ages 16 and 8 years old. I am from San Nicolas, Pangasinan, Philippines. I am college graduate. My hobbies are cooking and reading books. I have work experience as a domestic helper in Hong Kong for 4 years and 6 months. The first family that I was worked with was from 2011 to 2013. I served 3 members, 1 couple and 1 3-year-old son. The second family that I was worked with was from 2013 to 2015. I served 3 members, 1 adult and 2 children, ages 11 and 15 years old. The third family that I was worked with was from September 2023 up to March 2024. I served 4 members, 2 adult and 2 children, ages 12 and 16 years old, plus 4 cats and 1 turtle. My duties and responsibilities are cleaning the house, cooking, marketing, washing clothes, washing dishes, ironing, and taking care of the children. I can work with or without supervision. I can also cook Chinese food with or without recipe to follow, but willing to learn more different varieties of food. I am honest, responsible, reliable, trustworthy, patient, and hardworking. I'm also open for correction, question, and other job-related concern. So please, Mom and Sir, please hire me. And I promise I will do my very best to serve your family. And I will treat your children as my own too. And I will follow all the regulation and responsibilities that you will give to me. Thank you and God bless.